Hello friends, my name is Amasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what is cause and effect diagram or fishbone diagram. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or problem solving skills. So let's just start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. A cause and effect diagram or a fishbone diagram is a visual tool used to logically organize possible causes for a specific problem or effect by graphically displaying them in increasing detail, suggesting causal relationships among theories. A popular type is also referred to as a fishbone or Ishikawa diagram. Cause effect diagram can also be diagrammed using a tree diagram. When diagnosing the cause of a problem, a cause effect diagram helps to organize various theories about root causes and present them graphically. The cause and effect diagram is a fundamental tool used in the early stages of an improvement team. The ideas generated during a brainstorming or affinity process are used to populate the diagram. Since the list of issues on a cause effect may be very large, the team should use a prioritization or multi-vote technique to narrow the list of potential causes that they drive to investigate further. At the head of the diagram is the effect that the team is investigating. The team brainstorms potential causes for this effect. The skeleton becomes the various potential causes, and the headers are the column heads from the affinity diagram. Cause and effect diagram key concepts. A cause and effect diagram cannot identify a root cause. It presents graphically the many causes that might contribute to the observed effect. It is a visual representation of the factors that might contribute to an observed effect that is being examined. The interrelationships among the possible causal factors are clearly shown. One causal factor may appear in several places in the diagram. The interrelationships are generally qualitative and hypothetical. It focuses the attention of all team members on the specific problem at hand in a structured, systematic way. Cause and effect sequence relationship. The most important consideration in the construction of a cause effect diagram is a clear understanding of the cause effect relationship. When one has completed the diagram, one should be able to start at any endpoint and read the diagram as far as he can. The slippery road causes loss of control of the car. Alternatively, one can start with the phenomena being explained and read it backward like this: control of the car was lost because the road was slippery. All possible sources of the causation need to be considered. There are at least 4 classes of causes that may apply to any problem: objects such as machines and material, conditions such as motivation, temperature or level of demand, time sequence in the process such as time of day or sequence in production, the effects associated with place such as particular production line, the loading dock, the distributor or a particular branch officer. These are the what, why, when and where of causes and effect, and should always be asked in addition to the 4 W's: what, why, when and where. Teams that use cause effect diagram have developed 2 other lists that help them remember to consider these several classes of possible causes for a problem. First one: manpower, people, material, provisions, methods, procedures, machines, places, measurements, and patterns. People have found that the W's, M's and P's helpful aid in remembering to consider a full range of possible causes. That is, however, no particular magic in the specific words, and they do not all apply in all cases actually. Then friend, you may find out that of these lists helpful or develop your own. So key strengths of the cause and effect diagram tools are: The major advantage of this tool lies in the fact that it focuses the attention of all the people involved with on the specific problem at hand in a structured, systematic way. It encourages innovative thinking and still keeps the team on track in an orderly way. The 5 whys can be applied to the brainstormed theories to get to suspected root causes. The second key strength of this tool is that its graphic representation allows very complex situations to be presented, showing clear relationships between elements. When a problem is potentially affected by complex interactions among many causes, the cause-effect diagram provides the means of documenting and organizing them all. For the same reason, the cause-effect diagram has a tremendous capability of communicating to others. Now, how to construct a cause and effect diagram? Getting ready. Construct a cause-effect diagram when you have reached the point of developing theories to guide the characteristic step. The knowledge to be used to construct the cause-effect diagram comes from the people familiar with the problem and from data that has been gathered up to that point. Define the effect. Define clearly the effect or symptom for which the causes must be identified. The effect must be defined in writing. For additional clarity, it may be advisable to spell out what is included and what is excluded actually. Place the effect. Place the effect or symptom at the right enclosed in a box. Draw the central spine as a thicker line pointing to it. Identify possible causes. Use brainstorming or a rational step-by-step approach to identify the possible causes. There are two possible approaches to obtaining contributions for the causes to be placed on the diagram: brainstorming and a rational step-by-step approach. The team or its leadership will need to make a choice based on an assessment of readiness actually. Then the next one is the basically place the major causes. Each of the major causes, not less than 2 and normally not more than 6, should be worded in a box and connected with the central spine by a line at an angle of about 70 degrees. Here as well as in subsequent steps, it has proved useful to use adhesive notes to post the individual main and subsidiary causes about the main spine. Step 5: add causes to main area. Okay. Then the next one is the add less desirable placement. Add subsidiary causes for each cause, then less desirable placement, and continue adding possible causes. So in that way, in the last, check logical validity of each causal chain. So friend, these are the few steps, and check for completeness in the last. So friend, these are the few steps to make the cause and effect diagram. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you friends.